Hello, friends. In this episode, I would talk briefly about money, investment, and finance, and also I'll connect them with decision making because decision making is one of my favorite areas. I would like to share with you certain aspects of money. Uh, if you invest in lump sum, which is better than SIP. SIP means systematic investment plan, but the thing is that the advantage of SIP is that you can average the things, and whenever there is a fluctuation, you can average the cost and you can grow it. But if you put lump sum, what happens? You can use this lump sum for education or for marriage or any other activities. And when you invest into mutual funds, there are different types of mutual funds, like small cap, mid cap, large cap, and flexi cap. Then value fund, hybrid funds, a contra fund. So like that, lots of funds are there globally, and Indian market is still better than US market. Of course, US market is very big giant, but in the long run, I think Indian stock market is very bullish and lots of opportunities. And when we talk about gold, silver, and other commodities, uh, there is a hype about gold. Gold is good, but at the same time now the prices have gone up. I think there will be a bubble which can blast at any time, so you must be prepared. But if you but in India we have an attitude to invest into gold because we love gold basically. That's one thing. But again, if you buy gold as a coin, it's better. If you buy by way of ornaments, then again there will be wastage. So it depends on your interest and your risk appetite and your passion. Then accordingly, you have to make your decisions. Now there is opportunities like ETF gold, ETF silver, like that. So many instruments and activities are coming up globally, but in the long run, gold is better, but not in the current context because gold was flat, I think, around 22 years. If I am not mistaken. So now suddenly, I think for the last 1.5 year or 2 years, the prices have gone up, and we never we didn't anticipate these things. Usually, gold prices go up during war or any global conflicts or geopolitics are involved, then people go for gold. So this is about gold, this is about mutual funds. Then again, when we talk about long selling and short selling is very risky and a very dangerous game because short selling means you sell, then again you buy. Most of the people, they lose their money, so it's very risky and very dangerous, and even the professional players, they burn their own fingers, so it's very difficult. So the best advice is to stay invested and become an investor with a long view so that you can make money. So you should be very patient, and you should have a long vision, and accordingly you have to act, and don't get be surprised with the shocks and other things. It's part parcel of life. So be a investor rather than a trader, and don't go for intra trading. So these are all aspects I am sharing. Now again, when you look at my own philosophy, I published uh, 55 books, and I published books in different genre. In the sense, I started as a non-fiction author in the year 2010, and I published 55 books. And I entered. I started with self-help books, then again teaching books on teaching, training, executive education, diversity. Then I wrote a memoir which is yet to be published. Uh, then again published books on public speaking and soft leadership, like that. Lots of things I have done it, basically because I don't have any mentor, I don't have any guide, I don't have any coach. This is the challenge. So whatever was coming to my mind, I was doing it. And I was a college dropout, and I'm a continuous learner, and I'm planning to write a book on money and how to go about. Still I don't know, because I had a brain stroke in the year of 2021. I'm not able to write any books for the last for more than 4 years. My right hand has been paralyzed, and my right shoulder and right hand has been numb, so I can't type, and I can't eat with my right hand. So lots of challenges I am having. So hopefully I'll get back to my feet, and then I'll be able to write my books. And I'm planning to write a couple of books, especially on philosophy, which would take around 5 years. But I'm the immediate area I'm trying to explore is about money management. So there are lots of books on money management. So I am basically a researcher, storyteller, and author, and I'm a logopoil. That means I keep reading and writing. So lots of things I do it. So now coming to this particular area of money and investments, you have to read good books and relevant books, and so that you can update yourself, so that you can achieve financial independence. And there is active investment and passive investment, and it all depends upon your risk appetite and how you want to go about, how you want to proceed. It's in your hands. In my personal life, I'm 62 years old. I don't have any financial independence. For the last 10 years, I don't get any regular income, and I don't have any pension. I don't have regular income, and even I don't have two-wheeler and four-wheeler. So now I am trying to explore about money and financial independence. And life is all about possibilities. Never give up, and age is just a number. If you look at Colonel Sanders, at the age of 60 founded KFC and became successful. He was a military officer. So it's possible for everyone, and never ever give up, and believe in your dreams, and age is just a number. And I request you to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and sharing with your networks. With gratitude.